Muscle dissection part 4, legs. This video will show you how to find the rectus femoris, vastus lateralis, vastus medialis, gracilis sartorius, semitendinosus, semimembranosus, biceps femoris, gastrocnemius, Achilles tendon, tibialis anterior, and the soleus. This first one right there is the vastus medialis, which should make sense since you are looking at the medial view of the pig's leg rather than the lateral view of the pig's leg. So that's the vastus medialis. This top part there is the rectus femoris. Right there. The sartorius is right between my tweezers, right there. It's really skinny and kind of hard to find, but it's kind of below the vastus lateralis. The gracilis is right between my tweezers there. You can kind of see my tweezers going under the gracilis, and if you cut through that part, you would see the semimembranosus. Remember, semimembranosus, M for medial view. So here's a review. 26 is the rectus femoris, 27 is the vastus medialis, 28 is the sartorius, like I said, it's very skinny, and 30 is the gracilis. 24 is the semimembranosus, so that's what it would look like if you cut through the gracilis. The tibialis anterior is on the front of the tibia, which should make sense based on the name, so it's right there where the tweezers are. And dissecting it is pretty easy. Once again, you just have to kind of remove the connective tissue around it. So just use your tweezers to kind of take off any connective tissue that you see. Once the connective tissue starts coming off, you can see the muscle underneath and where that muscle starts and stops. So there's the tibialis anterior. Now if we look on the other side of the pig's leg, you can see the rectus femoris again. This is just a different view of it. And then we have the biceps femoris, which is this really big muscle right there. Above that, but below the rectus femoris, is the vastus lateralis, because we're looking at the lateral side of the leg. Down there is the Achilles tendon, and above it there's the gastrocnemius and the soleus. And the gastrocnemius and the soleus are hard to differentiate. The soleus is deep to the gastrocnemius, but it's kind of hard to tell. The semitendinosus is if you cut through the biceps femoris, and remember that the semitendinosus is on the lateral view of the leg, and they both have T's in them. So there's the semitendinosus right there in the red. So once again, a review is 18 here is the biceps femoris, but it's been cut away so that you can see 23, the semitendinosus. 24 is the semimembranosus, which is visible because you have cut away so much of the pig here. And 22 is the gastrocnemius. And 21 is the vastus lateralis.